Welcome. Let's add your Twitch stream key to StreamPulse. First, log into your StreamPulse panel. Click on Stream Keys in the left menu. Then hit the Add Stream Key button on the right. A pop-up will appear. In the drop-down at the top, select Twitch. For the key name, you can enter anything you like. Pro tip: if you stream on multiple channels, using a name that references your Twitch channel can be helpful later on. For the RTMP URL, you'll need to visit a specific website. The link is in the video description below. On that site, you'll find URLs for different locations. Choose the one that's best for you and copy it into the RTMP URL field. Now, let's get your stream key. Go to Twitch, click on your profile in the top right, and select Creator Dashboard. In the Creator Dashboard, look for Settings in the left menu. Under that, click on Stream. You'll see your stream key on this page. Copy it and head back to StreamPulse. Paste your Twitch stream key into the corresponding field in StreamPulse. Double-check all the information, then click Submit, and you're done. Your Twitch stream key is now added to StreamPulse. You're one step closer to effortless multi-platform streaming.